Are you the type of learner who goes by the book, or the other way around? Being a successful and profitable trader is one of the goals most beginner and experienced traders wish to achieve. Is there a specific and systematic way to become great in trading? Trading is an art form, and each trader has a unique trading system, and there is no linear process to become a lucrative trader. Successful traders all go through the process of learning what works and what doesn't. Be patient and have discipline with your trading plan. You will be a smart trader who knows when, where, what, and how to trade and invest the smart way. Do you want to be a smart trader? Attend a free SmarTrade learning session and learn how to trade the smart way.